Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. If you have a BMW guys, it could be almost any BMW past year 2000 guys. And if you want to know how to adjust camber, if you can adjust front camber, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Everything from start to finish. So make sure to stay until then, we'll share very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. Specifically guys, we have an X4 which is built on the X3 platform, which is very similar to BMW 3 Series and 4 Series as well. What is camber? Camber guys means how much your tire is tilted. As you know, BMWs, usually the rear tires are more tilted to the inside and the front ones are more straight. So for the rear guys, okay, you have you can easily adjust camber. We have a special video how to adjust rear camber on BMW. It explains that. But what about the front? Can you adjust it? How you can find out about that is what settings you have. So if you remove the wheel, and here guys, okay, you're going to see you have one single bolt. That's where the strut, this is the shock strut, attaches to the steering knuckle. If you have a single bolt like that, it means that the camber is not adjustable. Most BMWs on the bottom will be not adjustable. What about the top? You've seen some cars where they have adjustable plates on the top. Unless you have an aftermarket guys, bearing support right here, support bearing, unless you have an aftermarket one that allows you to adjust it guys with a custom plate or coilovers, practically the camber is not adjustable on your BMW. It's stock. You can see these bolts here, they're fixed. You cannot slide them in and out. There is nothing here, that's practically your strut. So camber guys, okay, unfortunately on most BMWs out of the factory on the front will be not adjustable. The rear ones it is. If the camber is out, it means that you either have a bent suspension, bent steering knuckle here, the hub is damaged, the bearing is damaged as well, or you have problems with control arm bushings, which is a weak spot on those. For instance, like that one right here, okay, it failed guys. Let us show you how the control arm bushing failed on this one. Check it out, and that can affect the way your tire sits as well. So always make sure that you don't have anything loose before you're messing with it guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.